Today we're going to begin with our most superior vertebrae, the cervical vertebrae. We're going to talk a little bit about that. So we already know that it's located in the neck and it makes up the most superior portion of the spine. The cervical vertebrae can flex, extend, and rotate the head. We can even combine these movements. However, there are a lot of different opinions about combining these movements, so I really like to encourage my students to really listen to their bodies and never try to push past their normal, comfortable range of motion. The top two vertebrae are C1 and C2, or the atlas and axis. C7 is our most inferior or lowest neck vertebrae, and it connects to our thoracic vertebrae at the bottom of our neck and the top of our shoulders. I usually include neck stretches in my classes and my own personal practice, at least in the warm-up, if not elsewhere. We can incorporate basic neck stretches easily into our seated poses. For example, while we're sitting in Sukhasana, we can gently allow our ear to go towards our shoulder. This will stretch the opposite neck and upper shoulder muscles. But often when people do this, they bring their shoulder up to their ear, which is negating the stretch. So be sure to pull your shoulder blades down your back and sit up nice and tall as you engage one side of your neck in lateral flexion at a time. If your scalenes are extremely tight, you might need to take this extra slow. Another really nice basic neck stretch that we can easily include is just a simple rotation. We're engaging one of those SCMs at a time, or sternocleidomastoid muscles, in the front of our neck. It's a really nice thing to incorporate in a warm-up particularly, or in a cool-down, so we can really make sure that we are engaging the entire spine all the way from our coccyx to our atlas.